Ibuchumelo lomya muhela musoli kubuhama zimwangala Bulozi au ikumsa kayona ili kuzolela motropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mubali kina Nathana kufuna wa mndila. Halutalimia ni faritoho za Makande. Balimi ba rice mwa Mungu BABATA KUZIBA LITEKO za rice mwa TEKISANO ya SILIMO sa 2026 kuisa 2027. Wa MUYUMBANA ba SUSUEZA SICABA sa Bulozi KUYEMA ni MUETELELI HAKAINDE HICHILEMA. TUKISO ya KUBULUKA BASIZANI mwa LIKOLO ITUSA BASIZANI BABAFITELELA palo ya 760 mwa sa SIOMA. Balimi babamu mwasikilitisa Mungu bakupile muso kwa kufisa kutumusa teko ya mbonyi ni rice famusika wa SILIMO sa 2026 kuisa 2027 kutarusa kuli tiyeho ye ibatiseza butata kwa neko la kunahanela kwa pata kwambola kwa babihi Makande bamaze mwangala Bulozi balimi baize kutumusa liteko kaubebe kukaba tusa kuingami hato sakata kwa kuba bazali kutuloza bona ni kwitukiseza bulimi wa isaho kaubebe. Katengo kakatale mafa pokelezo yalicho munaha ka Food Reserve Agency FRA kabukuswani katalosize kuli kakakona fela kutumusa liteko za mbonyi ni rice kalulo ya mkamo haika kutamatasi fati kanyo yeswanela ya 12.5% ili kubona kuli licho ze za kona kubukelezwa hande.
Vanga likazaluna kakuchipa kyalukupa kwa musokuli vaeze kaputako simoni SILIMO kaufela vanoweza kama uveve kuzusateko kulinuna walimi lufana waseni sesimu imisebezi yaluna kaufela izamae kama uveve teko kaufela ya kutafa fasi alukaisa kwa lusaka kaufela itezi raisi choye mtengo wachipa kona luvila una walimi kuli mulubonele fateni
niniswana yakuli kambe na lekisa kaubebe hani lekisa kaubebe ni ma programu akweza seni sala bwitukiso wakuli haluka bani halukalimiwa fasi limoselu kalanji muhape lube baba itukisize hande kanako nsina halu utakuli mabona na SILIMO se kulelwa kuli pula inakunela hande niniswana yakuli mali kuchalali peu zale ze mena kaubebe zesa tokumeza mangata kona kuliyo itoka bwitukiso tole hakali ya twana maliruka kumana gaguza lipeu zale zeto kwa linanga lipeu za kuchala malinanga petruka beruka ba kazi yele jimu kona mweka kutira matasi hape twalo
yana banga MUETELELI wa mulonganyana wa sikilitisa Mungu bo nyambe MUYUMBANA bazozipili mumgendenge wa kukupela MUETELELI wanaha mavoti kwa SICABA yena mchompe HAKAINDE HICHILEMA mane ni baipapati kaufela bakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kabukuswani ili mwa Bulozi mwaliketsa zana mwingelele za SILIMO sauno mwaha kwambola kwa mkopano wa kukupa mavoti mwa sikiliti sasi sheke wa MUYUMBANA baize kikwa butokwa kuli kubeni kwekeza mwa kamaiso kutarosa kuli MUETELELI HICHILEMA uswanila kufiwa kolo yemwe ya kupeta milelo ya zwelopili. Bo MUYUMBANA baize mubuso wako pano ya UPND ubonsize chiseho kwa neku la kutisa zwelopili ili kamukwa wakuchimbola sifumu kamulelo wakukona kuba ni kutulo ya mbonyi yefita fabwima wa 10 million metric tons ili kutiseza silelezo ya sicho monaha kamkana.
Former MUNGU Mayor Nyambe MUYUMBANA has continued to rally support for President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA and all UPND adopted candidates in Western Province ahead of the August 13 general election. Speaking to Bulozi TV News during a campaign meeting in Sesheke district, MUYUMBANA said the country needs continuity in leadership to sustain the development programs initiated by the UPND administration. He said President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA has laid a clear development agenda that requires another term to deliver more benefits to the people of Zambia.
Molelo to support my adopted candidate by UPND. One kwa East, Mokangombe, kwa West, Mbizi. Mi message kieswa lubata kuli lwekeze kupasichaba lwekeze lufemu tope HAKAINDE HICHILEMA mavota mangata-ngata kuyacholo ni baketule kaufela mwa UPND kakuli swelo pili luselu lwa ibona wana balikolo bakena mahala mane bayocha nukucha balikolo zile saiza langi apwane manifesto wamboli wakuli kumekubanga ni jimu yakona kweza 5 million metric tons of maize jimu yetu aloya wamubaniona sepa kule yakona yakashwa dala yakona kulubantala kule amuka ubulahandi neba mwana kwa mwana wasa bapa harvest ene ya mwazwa ulu itozile swa 2 million wakasheno alwambola chwana SILIMO se wakesa HAKAINDE kumela ngana kwa situna farmers fertilizer lukonele kweza more than 3 million metric tons kusupeza kuli 5 million yako na kweza hala nikona lukupasi chawa
Meanwhile, unadopted Mary aspirant Barbara Sibeso echoed MUYUMBANA's sentiments, urging residents of Sesheke to support President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA and the UPND candidates in the forthcoming polls.
We are here with my brother to support the adopted candidates. Support wakangobe kwano bino nizima wese kwa support bomise ubona kwa president wako na kichwalo ensha kisort sana ensha so runa information we are actually visiting ma constituency council na Bulozi kuri watu wabone bonde waizi zena HH mshemwa unaweza kuli una nisishemo sasa mifakulu akainde aikeza nikaza haye unalikuona kuli wabota na candidates
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MUNGU, Western Province.
Mizeo halili chwalo mwinasipula wabancha mwakopano ya UPND wo Gilbert Liswaniso baikirize konga mikopano ili kususueza SICABA kufa kemero kumweteleli HAKAINDE HICHILEMA nikopano yebusa mwa Bulozi kuitukiseza liketsa zala 13 muyana 2026. Kuambola kwa nyangela yene teyani kuteleza bwipapato wabona ili mwasikiriti sasi sheke boliswaniso bakupile SICABA sasi sheke kubotela mweteleli HAKAINDE HICHILEMA mibaize muso wakopano ya UPND utisize mitomo yeo isweli kumbasha faza maino abungata wa SICABA mwanaha Zambia. Mihaili ya ipapata kuyemera Sesheke East mwandu ya milao wo Romeo Kangombe ni mwipapati wa Sesheke West wo Frederick Misevezi ba kongomekile baboti KUYEMA nibona hamoho nikopano ya UPND mwaliketsa zetaha zana mwingelele zona zala 13 muyana 2026.
UPND National Youth Chairperson Gilbert Liswaniso has continued mobilizing support for President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA and the ruling party in Western Province ahead of the forthcoming general elections. Addressing supporters during a campaign meeting in Sesheke district, Liswaniso urged voters to support President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA, saying the UPND has introduced policies that are improving the lives of many Zambians.
Security sasa Sesheke makonstituency amabeli wapumile amabeli hapumile chwalo ulela kuli ibata 40 milioni ya mali iye kwani kakai kwa west 40 milioni hape itaye kwano kwa east kuliluchimbule chwale upilo walona kaku yakali kolo kaku yakali patela mandu amaluti mandu amanasi maneni za mezi nizemu zeo zetokwala kwa magranti kwa maloni.
Meanwhile, UPND Sesheke East aspiring member of parliament and Sesheke West aspiring member of parliament appealed to voters to support their candidature and the UPND in the forthcoming general elections.
Mwana Katongo, mwana Kwenani, mwana Libumu, mwana Kabuyu, mwana Mutwamezi, mwana Mukotekwa, mwana Ndalo, mwana Katundu ko kwateni ne kubile MP wa pili mwa Bulozi mo yena mushiba kacheku nibana babona lutokuba mapilamina kutokupa pili kukala kukupela mutompe HAKAINDE
kikuvotela pela mwalizo kipeto mali akashifoeke azwela pateni amocho ni masherenyi ya makwasha ni utwako liko na wakatongo mane kona munani makwasha babanyezu kitabayaniti bateni cheremu babulelele ni wona mbasusuweze kulimina makwasha y'abanyezwi uli muzwele pili kola mali ha luswana akuzwela pili apeni HAKAINDE HICHILEMA.
The two candidates said electing UPND representatives at all levels would help accelerate development and improve service delivery in the district. For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MUNGU, Western Province.
Ya ipapata kuyemela luena mwandu ya milao ili kakuyema anose bomwala kalaluka basepisize baboti kuli bona bakazola pili kufa kemelo kwa TUKISO za muso haiba bakafi wa kolo ya kuba muyemeli wasibaka salwena mwandu ya milao ile kulatula mabulatwi akuli bakatuhelisa LITEKO za misebezi ya zolopili zetatekilwe kuambola kwa bihi ba Makande ba mazimwangala abuloze bo kalaluka baize LITEKO zeo kimilelo ya muso ye amazwelo pili ya SICABA mikachwalo liswanira kuba zezo la pili kusina kutalima fako pano yeo ayemi kuyona mutu mibaikirize kufitisa pizo ya kwekeza kuba ni TUKISO za silelezo ya lilalanda mwa sibakasalwena mibafile mutala wa mshitu wa kambowa mwa nangula wadi ko basuswelize SICABA babapira kwa tengi kuchalalikota ili kutusa kubukereza mishitu.
On 29th May 2026, Luena constituency independent aspiring candidate Mwala Kalaluka withdrew from the parliamentary race only to rejoin the contest 4 days later, citing what he described as popular demand. Following his withdrawal, there have been assertions that Kalaluka would not appear on the ballot paper. In an interview with Bulozi TV, Kalaluka has dispelled those claims.
Aizo kwa bana balona baba bafirize ko kwali koza panga za ma trade school zemu za cafe kulicha misebezi bete hape tabaki akuli kustukubulira kuli bomwala Kalaluka haba no fa ballot paper boki bu hata bunsu akuna niti mamulele o mataba yo mibali bulya bao bali bulya ka buli mpeche nitiki kuli Kalaluka mwala batini fa ballot paper BAYEMA mimane hapi bakile mamugende wakupona kuli likazeza mahala alikisaze bani kabiri mwateni yakubona kuli nima balieza.
He added that campaigns in Luena constituency are progressing well, adding that all aspiring parliamentary candidates are on good terms with each other. He further stated that there have been no incidents requiring the intervention of the District Conflict Management Committee.
Conflict Management Committee alona abasika bati butatahu kwa maana nilikesa ze lwambo sana mahala alona kuna baba basokopani bona bazi kikirinde bapala kopani lona kuna baba MP candidates bala buisana lwambo sana hamo a man
willing to lead his people through the wilderness toward a better Zambia. Like Moses leading his people toward the promised land. The journey was never meant to be easy, because nations are not built overnight. They are built through faith, sacrifice, and perseverance. The work is not finished, but Zambia is moving forward.
On the 13th of August 2026, vote for HAKAINDE HICHILEMA as President of the Republic of Zambia.
SICABA Sailutewad Vikie Lasunda 19 July 2026 Muskema ya TUKISO ya Beyond the Ballot Kanako ya 1730 hours Baipapate bamina vo Thomas Mwamba bakopano ya Citizens First MUETELELI nyambe bakopano ya UPND hama ochwalo nibo musinga spalo bakopano ya NRPUP bakamitaloseza milelo ya zolopili yebanani kuamana wadi ya Ilute. Chwale amwe kutwele ni kuipuhela beyond the ballot isalimina kakuli kukandekelwa kumaswe. Lasunda Kanako ya 1730 hours only on Bulozi TV, the pride of Barosi.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made to belong. Count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRC and voter's card ready.
Count me in.
Being a teenager isn't always easy. Every day brings new challenges, big decisions, and questions about life, family, friendship, and the future. Bulozi TV brings to you Teens of Focus, the program where real teens talk about real issues. We create a safe space where young people learn, grow, and find their voices. Join me, Kutemba Kabish, as we explore on the issues that matter most to teenagers, empowering them to make informed choices, build confidence, and unlock their full potential.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in MUNGU of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in MUYUMBANA compound off Kagrava Road in MUNGU. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barosi.
Kibitumiro milwa zulapili ni Makande. Muso katusoyezwa kwa panga yetu na alifasi ni baitombole babamu kufitela mwapulukelo yalinaha ze fapana usweli kutiseza mayemo atuto yefiwa kwa basizani babashebile ili mwatukiso ya kubuluka bana na basizani mwalikolo yona keeping girls in school. Kwambola kanako yalipo isano ze amana fa kubuluka bana na basizani mwalikolo zenonga ongezwi first kolosa nangweshi boarding secondary school ili mwasikiriti sa SIOMA. Babaswali swalelele buzamaisi wasikiriti sa SIOMA bo Robin Makai baize muso unanimilelo ya kwekeza palo ya likiriti kuzwafa 95 kuyafa 116 kwa mafelelezo asilimo sa 2026. Haili ya talima familielo ya tuto mwasikiriti sa SIOMA bo Angela Mwangala bonabaize banana bafitelela palo yemyanda yesupile ni mashumi asilezi bafuma n'ituuso kwa TUKISO yakubuluka banana babasizani mwa LIKOLO kuzwa kwa matatakelo a TUKISO ye mihaili balishumi kali mumwe bakonile kuya kwa LIKOLO zepahami kakufiwa lituuso.
Government, with support from the World Bank and other cooperating partners through the Multi-Donor Trust Funds MDTF, is strengthening access to education for vulnerable girls through the Keeping Girls in School and Beyond KGS initiative under the Girls Education and Women Empowerment and Livelihood for Human Capital Jewel Project. Speaking during the Keeping Girls in School and Beyond Initiative Academic Symposium at Nangweshi Boarding Secondary School in SIOMA District, Acting District Commissioner for SIOMA Robin Mackay says the program has transformed lives of vulnerable girls and announced that government will expand the initiative from 95 to 116 districts by the end of 2026.
Given the impact the project has had, KGS will scale up to 21 more districts to increase the number of KGS implementing districts from 95 to 116 before the end of 2026.
So at the district, we have a total of 760 keeping girls in school that we are servicing as SIOMA district, 766 girls that are being supported. That is at secondary school. Then at tertiary level, we already have 15 girls that are pursuing their tertiary support at various colleges, various universities in Zambia.
Meanwhile, Acting Agriculture Coordinator for SIOMA Chipobe Hangomba noted that 60% of crop production in Zambia is produced by women.
So, as an agriculturalist, more than 60% of the food that we eat is produced by women. No wonder, even the government and the Jewel Project, even KGS, they are saying, let's empower who? The girls. The seeds you plant today through education, discipline, hard work, and good character will become the harvest of your future success.
Education Officer for Western Province Peggy HICHILEMA urged beneficiaries to work hard and make the most of the Keeping Girls in School sponsorship.
And our dear learners continue to appreciate by living positively and have a high self-esteem. You have a high self-esteem, you cannot fail to do anything.
We are also grateful to our sponsors, KGS, and supporters. Your generosity played a key role in making today possible.
Held under the theme, Empowering Girls, Creating Leaders for Tomorrow, the symposium promoted academic excellence and inspired girls to pursue higher education and successful careers. Ndopu Sendoi reporting.
Katengo kakatalima faliswanelo za banana ni zoropili ka Media Network on Child Rights and Development MNCRD kakupile baliko pano kutokolomoha kubea banana mwalitaba za bwipapato ili kufama mela ya koli mukwawo uhatikela liswanelo za banana. Iyo muhulu wakatengo ka bo Henry Kabwe baize kubea banana mwalitaba za bwipapato kunyefula tukelo yabona yakuba ni mukunda mi kukona kuba Kenya mwautata bakengisa batu banani milelo yelunya bao bakona kuba kaleza kuwela kwaliko pano. Katengo ka kaize maswaniso abanana asweli kuingiwa mwanako ya bwipapato aswanela fela kuboniswa kwa SICABA haiba bashemi babanana bao balumezi kweza chwalo.
The Media Network on Child Rights and Development, MNCRD, has noted with concern the number of pictures of children being captured during political party campaigns ahead of the 2026 general elections. According to the Children's Code Act and other related local, regional, and global treaty commitments, children's identities can only be exposed with the signed consent of parents or legal guardians. Capturing children during campaigns violates their rights to privacy and may expose them to danger as unreasonable political players may react negatively to their perceived political affiliations. Further, while we appreciate the relatively peaceful nature of the campaigns in these elections, it is risky to take children to political events in case of violence. In the past, we have witnessed the deaths of people, including children and youths, during campaigns. It is unfortunate that one teenager was shot at yesterday during campaigns, and we urge the Zambia Police Service to not only look out for young people, but also advise adults going with them to leave them out of the campaigns. We equally urge all political parties and other players to uphold the dignity and rights of children by advising their media teams and supporters to ensure that they promote the rule of law as they seek to save the Zambian people.
Miri kandela ni lufitize kwa maferezo a tukiso ya Makande Mwa Silozi kono lusika ya kale harotanimeni hape faritoho za Makande. Balimi ba raisi mwa MUNGU BABATA KUZIBA LITEKO za raisi mwa TEKISANO ya SILIMO sa 2026 kuisa 2027. MUYUMBANA ba SUSUEZA SICABA sa Bulozi KUYEMA ni MUETELELI HAKAINDE HICHILEMA. TUKISO ya KUBULUKA BASIZANI mwa LIKOLO ITUSA BASIZANI BABAFITELELA palo ya 760 mwa security sa SIOMA. Mwakona kubuhari tukisoza luna kaufela hili ifa TopStar decoder fampuito ya 120 mwari bakaze tatama MUNGU limulunga nalolo lusaka chongwe chilanga likalolo zengwe za sinanga kalabo rufonsa mane nilibaka zeinzima bapa musakona kulubuha nifa Facebook ili farikepe la Bulozi TV fapila abumanjinela bo ashbeo sibulwa kabi ila imbalila Makande kina nathana kufuna wa mundila.
Are you unhappy with our content?